to delete an email, follow these steps. 1. Open your email app or service, like Gmail, Outlook, etc. 2. Go to your inbox or the folder where the email is located. 3. Find and select the email you want to delete. 4. Look for the trash bin icon, usually located at the top or side of the screen. 5. Click on the trash bin icon to delete the email. Alternatively, you can select multiple emails and delete them all at once. The email will typically go to the trash or deleted items folder. To permanently delete it, go to the trash folder and select empty trash or delete the items manually.